Today we're on week 18, day 3. Visual information is given as a picture, chart, graph, or other visual element. So here is a picture of a graph, and this is a picture that has labels on it. This is a diagram. Why is showing information visually sometimes important? Sometimes it can be the only way to convey information. Like a map, you can't really write an article about it. It's easier to look at it as a picture. And it can also break up text on a page. It can be looked at and understood really quickly, sometimes more quickly than reading a bunch of words about it. The instructions say read the passage and study the circle graph. It's important to pay attention to the most important parts of a piece of visual information. So it would be really important to look at the key so that you know what each of these things mean. Read the passage and study the circle graph. A simple survey. Juan's teacher asked the students to raise their hands if they had a pet. Juan was surprised to see that everyone raised their hands. So he took a survey. Juan made a circle graph and a key to show what he found out. Which pet is owned by the fewest number of students? So we can look at the circle graph, and which looks like this is a 10, and see how it's a bigger space, so that means there's more. So we need to look for something that shows a small space. And this is a small space, right? And it's the diamond. And let's see what the diamond represents over here. It's the bird. So we would fill in bird there. I just wanted to show you that first part. Now I'm going to let you do it on your own. The blank is shown by a heart symbol. Look back up here and see what the heart symbol represents. Which information is given in the key? How many students have pets? The kinds of pets the students have? How many students have each kind of pet? The pets the students own. This is the key over here, so think about that. Number 4, which 2 pets are owned by the same number of students? Dogs and cats, birds and hamsters, fish and birds, fish and hamsters. Look back up here and find the 2 that are of equal size. You can also look at the numbers. Do you see 2 numbers that are the same? Write down what those animals are. Could you understand the circle graph if the key was missing? Explain your answer.